Hi guys, it's Joe and today I'm in Okinawa, and so in this video I'm gonna tell you my favorite things to do in Okinawa. So let's go. Oh, by the way, thank you Chris for giving me these shirts. I really appreciate it. Thank you. This is our first drink, and Orion beer, which is like Okinawa local beer, the Pilsner. Really cool. It's my coworker, Shoto-san. So we're working at the MagicalTrip, and he's the manager of the planning the tour, the designer tour. So I work with him. What is your favorite tour from MagicalTrip?
The Kyoto, the Fushimi hiking tours.
So pretty much we're gonna chill like along the river and drink and cook some meal.
Yeah, here don't rush,
No
to
rush.
travel. Yeah, just stay in beautiful beach or river. Have a good time with friends or family.
Yeah.
Yeah, like relax and
Relax.
refreshing. That's
No like a hustle bustle, no busy.
yeah, that's how. Yeah, I live in Okinawa.
Yeah. I think this is like one of the things that you should definitely do in Okinawa is just to chill.
Yeah, like traveling Japan, like Tokyo, Osaka, very busy. Kyoto, traditions. Here, chill, nature.
Orion beer, best beer in Okinawa. I'm waiting for your promotion projects. I like this sound. We're gonna use this salt, like special salt from Okinawa. So Okinawa is like famous for salt. But this is really good salt. And garlic powder. And then mix it well. This is it. Garlic salt noodle with pork. So good. So Okinawa, as you can see, this like you can see the beautiful like in clear ocean and like a white beach, and almost nobody out here. So you can find a kind of private beach and just enjoy and chill. So this is the one. This is the one of the way to fully enjoy in Okinawa. Nightlife and then drink and then eat and the daytime, just driving around and then find your favorite beach and stuff. So I think I'm gonna, swim out here. Whew. Beautiful. It's really clear water out here. And less people. So cool. Oh, they're my friends. Everywhere in Okinawa is really beautiful, but compared to the other place, maybe up north is more nature stuff and more beautiful, I guess. Look at this water. So beautiful. So yeah, it's a bit far from the Naha, like an airport. But 2 hours drive, it worth it. Definitely worth it. So those trees, so almost 200 years. It's really beautiful. I like Okinawa because it has history and also nature, and the nature itself is really beautiful. And no one's out here, and you know, you just going a local small path to get here, just to chill and feel in nature. Love this.
Do you know how to say kanpai in Okinawan?
No.
Okay, let me tell you.
Okay.
We say kari,
Kari, kari,
like a salute.
kari,
Kari.
kari, kari. So good. Really chewy, and the broth itself is, it's actually umami in it. It's different from like udon or soba or ramen. It's really light, but still like a rich taste in it. I really love it. And if you like spicy, you get this kore goose, which is the awamori with like the chili in it. So like underage cannot use this. And what was that?
Then I heard my friend, he loved to put this one into the soba, and he put a lot because he loved to eat like a spicy one. So after he eat the noodle, and he drive to go to the home, but the police stopped him and he arrested because it's like a drinking drive.
Don't put it too much, okay?
No.
Ooh. Smell like yesterday. Okinawa chips. So now we're at the Shuri Castle, which is one of the most iconic castle here in Okinawa. But unfortunately, it's still under constructions. Yeah, this one. So I couldn't see the beautiful like red, those kind of the architecture. And I think it's gonna be in around in November or something.
Yeah.
So it's worth visit. I mean, like, and still, like, learn some history and culture stuff from the tour guide. It's really nice. And this like kind of observation deck, you know, you can just see the scenery of Okinawa. It's very cool. I've been saying this, but if you come in here, you should definitely need a guide, because like, you know, you can, otherwise you just come here and taking a picture and see the beautiful like views and stuff. But to learn the history and culture, you know, it's much nicer. I'll definitely recommend you to take a tour. Well, we have Shuri tour as well, so you have to check that out, okay? So I'm gonna put in the descriptions, so you have to check that out.
Please.
Yep, all right. Where are we going to next? Going back to the main street?
Back to Nightlife.
Oh, okay. Well, let's do that. And this place is kind of like Americanized city in Okinawa, so which is really interesting. Like, the Japanese culture and American culture have coexist, and all the bar is kind of Americanized and stuff. And this is one of the most famous bar called Prince, and as you can see, like all the bills and ceilings and the floors, a lot of navies, like American come here and put the bills and the message and stuff. It's really cool, and this place is really accommodating. And interesting is like you can actually like, mingle with local, and also here you can do karaoke if you want. And still like a 9, it's a bit early time, but like after that, like it's gonna be super crazy, packed. It's getting really busy right here, and people are coming in here and singing karaoke. It's definitely Saturday night. For now, like a lot of local Japanese people coming in here and talk to the bartender or something. But everyone is so energetic. I love this vibe. I wish I could have filmed all around.
Well, welcome back to Okinawa.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Have a great night. I'm glad you came into the bar.
Come by.
Goodbye.
What's that?
Try this. This is called an apple pie shot.
Apple pie shot?
It's supposed to taste a little bit like apple pie as you eat it.
Okay. いただきます。
Right.
乾杯。
Right?
めっちゃアップルパイ。
It tastes like apple pie.
This freaking tastes like apple pie.
めっちゃアップルパイ。
いただきます。I've been to like the 2 bars out here. Those are super good. Like it's like really accommodating. And this place, this place is more like a mixture of like Japanese culture and American culture, because like American base is kind of close by, and which is really cool. I really love this because you eat like Japanese food and you go to the American vibe, like bars and stuff. Like that before I went to the bar, and he was amazing. He's been in here for almost like 2 decades and something. Really love this.
Here's the tip: use a special Show Me Japan coupon to get a 5% off any tour. It's not just a bar hopping. Use it for culture tour, food tour, and other magical trip tour all over Japan. So check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.